An online MBA from DY Patil sounds great. But do you know DY Patil has two campuses, one in Pune and other one is in Mumbai. And when you know how to decide which one is better, which one has more recognition and what are the perks in both of them. But before we begin, let me tell you some fact about DY Patil. The oldest DY Patil campus was established in 1983 and since then it has been expanding its legacy. Beside technical degree, it offers degrees in management, hospitality, medicine, science and arts. DY Patil Online MBA was launched in the year 2010. DY Patil Online MBA Pune campus with A++ accreditation from NAAC and ranked among top 50 by NIRF. It offers 16 specializations to choose from. The best part about this program is that they teach AI tools to students which can foster student career in this digital age. For every specialization, there are different AI tools. You can explore more on their official website. Also, they offer 50-day login of premier platform edX, which has vast variety of certification courses from universities like Harvard, Massachusetts, etc. The total fee of this program is 1,89,400 that can be paid via different payment option. DY Patil Online MBA Mumbai campus is also accredited A++ by NAAC and they offer 11 specializations to choose from. They focus on improving the skill set of students by teaching Power BI, Generative AI and MS Excel. They conduct webinars for students so that the students feel immersed in the university. Last but not the least, they provide recruitment assistance to students to know more about the particular program or which one will be perfect for you. You can reach us through WhatsApp by using the link in the description box. The total fee of this program is 1,70,000 and can be paid via different methods like annually, semester-wise or one time. The best part of the both program is that you get to connect with international students. Both of the program focus on developing AI skill of students. Both the program differs in fee and rating. There are some factors that a student must consider before enrolling in DPU Pune or Mumbai. And for that matter, you will need a mentor who will tell you everything from pros to cons and which one will be the best choice for you. To connect with our mentor to choose the right one, you can message us via WhatsApp by using the link mentioned in the description box. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Have a lovely day.